For those of you who do not already know, RTX Voice is both a feature inside of NVIDIA Broadcast and a standalone software that eliminates background noise from your audio when enabled. Really quickly, make sure that your game-ready drivers are updated to 465.89 by opening GeForce Experience and checking the version in the top left. Now with that out of the way, we're going to go ahead and start off by downloading and installing NVIDIA Broadcast. Once it's finished installing, go ahead and open the NVIDIA Broadcast app. Navigate to each device and select the input device at the top. Select the effect Noise Removal and mess around with the strength setting until you're satisfied. Maxing out the strength still gives amazing quality, so don't feel the need to hold back. Also, you can combine more effects if you'd like. If you applied noise removal to your incoming audio, then check your Windows sound settings and make sure that your headset or speakers are still set as the output device and not the NVIDIA Broadcast devices. And last but not least, we need to configure our applications to use the proper devices. Open whichever app you need to change, open the settings, find the audio tab, and set the input and output to the correct NVIDIA Broadcast devices. Once again, I will be making a video on how to set up RTX Voice for non-RTX GPUs, so feel free to stick around. Leave a like if I was of any help, leave a comment if you have any questions or video suggestions, and please take care.